Hello, this is Marian tayo makalinaw pa rin. Project Zero Flood. We can stop the flood by simply creating infrastructure that will that requires a lot of water. For example, huge or giant fish ponds. One for tourist attraction for those flooded areas or flooded countries. Uh, One for tourist attraction and one fish pond for fisheries or fish farming. Uh, that's include your favorite seafoods, squids, shrimps, uh, lobster, etc., etc. Plus uh, uh, fish parks that will allow uh, fish picnics. Plus plus uh, plus uh, swimming pools that has uh, slides, uh, swimming pools that has waves, swimming pools that for Olympic training, swimming pools for scuba diving, etc., etc. Uh, Swimming pools you can use or like Splash Island or Island Cove, etc., etc. Or or swimming pools with hot spring. Uh, we can use universities with swimming pools. We can create university swimming pools or hotel with a lot of swimming pools. Or parks that has ice rinks, parks that has fountains that and statues that squirts water, plus malls that has ice rinks, and in those parks there are three water fountains, drinkable, plus uh, aside from fish pond, parks, swimming pools, um, we can we can use we can less water here from planet Earth and put it in a giant space station that will contain less water here from Earth. Then it in the outer space in among its parameters are space cities or space countries. We have water, less water from Earth to this space station, or water containing giant space station. So where there's water, there is life. So the space cities for countries will be will be supplied with water, enough supply can do agriculture, etc., etc. Uh, Fish parks, you will surely enjoy. But variety of swimming pools, you will surely enjoy. Malls, ice, ice, more like sculpture of ice. Yes, we can use water to convert it to ice in those flooded countries and areas around the world. We can, it's more like turning trash into gold instead of blood will kill lots of humans around the world. We will convert it, we will make it more vulnerable and helpful, less non-job college graduates, and it will lessen the price of sea seafoods. This has been Mark Antonio Macalino Pareño of Plan Pareño. Regards to all Pareño around the world, wishing you all the best, especially to my family, Renato Galinto Pareño, Jose Macalino Pareño, Jose Macalino Pareño, Macalino Pareño, Martin Macalino Pareño, Ina Pareño, Donovan Pareño, Sarah Pareño, Shania May Pareño, Shane Marie Pareño, Shane Robert Pareño, and San Gabriel Dumatsky alumni of Barangay SS Black Hill at 21 Maria High School, Manila, Philippines. Buhay to all. And hi to all my friends and other relatives, especially those in Vergara Lake. Hi. Gusto na kayo dyan lahat.